So I have the ignition key in there, and here's the antenna right here. Because once I put it in there, it gives me that green light, so I can turn it on. Then turn it off. And I get this light. Wait for a couple minutes, and I get a little beep. And that's normal. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try to turn it on. Does not work because I don't have the key fob in there. Put it close to the antenna right here, and I'll be able to turn it back on. Turn it off. Wait 3 seconds. 2, 3. Put on the programming card right here. And that's a normal beep that you would get with or without a card. Nothing at all. I've been moving anywhere, and this is where it usually gets the signal. I don't get any type of different reaction to this. I can flip it around. But the thing is that even if I have this right here, try to turn it on, it won't turn on. Even with the key fob here, it won't turn on. Oh, I guess keep blinking. It doesn't do anything special. It's 100 and something degrees over here in California, so if anybody wants this to work, it's me. That's normal. There's no programming, light action, or no sound that I get. It's in range right here, so it should be able to pick up the card. Well, it is what it is.